Well, I made it up to Connecticut this morning. I came up to photograph a waterfall called Buttermilk Falls. It's in Plymouth, Connecticut. I'm going to see my dad after. The bad news is it is raining. It's been raining all night, and so I've got to wait for it to stop. It should stop, I think, in the next 45 minutes or so. Good news is, since it's been raining all night, the water should be running pretty high, and hopefully I'll get some great images of this fall and the stream around it. I was hoping for a little bit more greenery around here. It's still kind of bare, but I'll get something out of it. This should be pretty good. I just got to be patient and wait for this rain to stop. Well, it stopped raining, so I'm going to make my way over to the falls. I'm pretty well prepared. I've got my hip waders on, so if I have to get in the water a little bit to get the right shot, I can do it. Well, there's been a ton of rain, and so the water is really rushing here. I'm going to try to make my way down a little bit. It's a little steep to get down there, but I think that'll be a more interesting vantage point. So I'll just go slowly down this little path there and see if I can get down there without killing myself. Okay, well, I made it down. Now the tricky part is to just find the right composition to get a good shot. Ideally, I would love to get some nice leading lines with this stream looking back up to the falls. So I'm gonna try to make my way around here and see what I can find. I think I got a good composition here. I've got the falls way up there, and I got this wonderful white foamy water running down right to my camera. I'm actually standing in the water now, but it's really the best place to get a good shot. Well, when I'm shooting waterfalls, I want to get that nice smooth look to the water. And to do that, you have to use somewhat of a longer exposure. In this case, the water's rushing really fast. You don't have to go out too far. Really just a third of a second, half a second, and you'll get that nice look. I think if you went out too long, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, my sense is that the water would look just like a white mush, and you really wouldn't get a great look to it with any detail in the water at all. I think I've nailed it down pretty well. Well, I made my way upstream to find another vantage point to shoot from. I had to get in the stream again. Ended up getting some decent shots though. Well, I think I got some shots of the falls and the stream. I'm gonna head back up where some of the bigger rocks are and see if I can get some more detailed shots of the rocks, some intimate photos where I can zoom in a little bit and focus on some of these nice mini waterfalls going over these rocks over here. I was gonna head home, but I decided to head to the top of the falls and see what was up here. And you can see behind me, it's a pretty cool shot. So I'm taking some shots up here and maybe go up a little further, see what there is. place just gets better and better. I kept walking up and I found this amazing falls in back of me. So I'm going to hop out into the stream a little bit, try to get some shots of this. Fantastic. Well, I'm making my way even further up this stream now. I'm way past the falls. I heard there was a nice area up here, so just came to explore. And as I turn the corner, yeah, it actually looks pretty nice. So I got a nice spot right along the side of the stream where the land juts out a little bit, so I'm getting this really pretty stream coming down. This water is moving a little slowly relative to the other water, and so I want to go with a longer exposure. So I put a 3-stop neutral density filter on the front of the camera, and so I can go out to about 5-6 seconds, and I get that nice smooth look for the stream. It's just beautiful up here. One quick tip when shooting near a stream like this: sometimes the ground by the edge of the stream is really soft, and so I'm finding as I look down at my tripod, every time I step it seems to shake. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but when I step, that tripod is shaking. You don't want a shaky tripod. So what I've been doing is, actually I'll show you, I'm on a 2-second timer. I'm getting far away from the camera, I'm hitting it, I'm getting off of that little mossy patch, and I'm letting the camera take the picture without me there. Avoid that camera shape, get a sharper image hopefully. Well, I explored this area quite a bit. It is just beautiful. So glad I came here this morning. Glad I waited for that rain to end. There's more to explore, but I'm gonna save it for another day. I'm gonna head back. I think I got some great images. I can't wait to get back and look at them on the computer. That's it for now.